Hi guys, we are here on Gelmerbahn. It's one of the most famous Switzerland bahn. It's almost 90 degrees up. Now some group going down. We can see how slow it is, but it's good. At least we have a lot of time for watching the scenery. I'm a little bit disappointed because the view is full of the electric cables. So let's see how it looks from the bahn. Near to the entrance station, there is this stunning bridge. Okay, the beginning is fairly flat. But this part, I don't have words for it. It's fucking amazing. Guys, and this is just beginning. There is a dam up here and we are going to walk all the way around it. We are roughly in first quarter and the trail sometimes feels like class A via ferrata. The road is a little bit sketchy, whoa, but it's beautiful. I cannot describe it. No safety gear, so you really have to watch your step. We found ideal heliport for our drone. Look at this. It's amazing. And our plan is fly there. We are curious how it looks on the top. It may not look like it, but with the drone I fly around 500 meters up. Okay, another waterfall. I didn't expect it, but it's stunning. It's awesome. I don't have words for it. It's beautiful. Just watch and enjoy this moment. And this shoot looking back. Check out path on the right. That's where we came from. We keep going. The fact that the trail is tough has some advantages. And one of them is that we met just a few people and I love it. I usually like people, but not on hike. I just want to feel the pure nature. It's about halfway now, and there are signs warning not to stay here too long because of the risk of the falling rocks. After the rocky part, the greenery starts to come back. And here is the best place to enter water. You can take a picture of yourself standing on the surface, and if you don't have a swimsuit, don't worry. No one is there, no one will see you, and you won't offend anyone. On hike like this, I try to keep my backpack and stuff
as light as possible. For snacks, the dried meat works great. It weighs nothing and it's full of the proteins. The third quarter of the trail is really interesting. Small waterfalls and more lush greenery. I think what makes this hike so special is the variety. Each section looks completely different and stunning.
We decided to go down by walk instead of using Gelmerbahn, and I think it was really good choice because look at this. The view is amazing. Can you imagine that your job is build the stairs here from the stones what you found here? It must be really hard work, but I'm glad for it because now I can just walk. It's super easy. I feel like in the shopping center, but the view is much better than in the shopping center.
And this is the end. Let me know in the comments which part of the hike you like most.